children. And we say if they're unsafe, the act also speaks to people who have an idea that a child or children may be in danger. Right. What if the people them know, doc, and they don't call the CPFSA or they don't call the police? Right. What kind of action can be levied against them?
So if it becomes clear, we have evidence to suggest that you know that a child was being abused and you took no action to report it, then there's a penalty in law. You can be charged for failure to report, and the penalty is $500,000, 6 months in prison, or both. The judge can decide, right? So there's a penalty. So we encourage people to report. Let us know that you have a concern about a child. We will go and find evidence and decide whether or not it was factual or not. But once you have a concern, report it.
When it comes to removing the children, doc, some people are of the view, or there is a school of thought, that the government don't have anywhere to put these children, and where they put them, they're not safe. So why not even bother taking the children? Because it's like they're jumping out a frying pan and jumping into fire. What do you say to that and those persons who may have those concerns about the children's safety when they are removed?
Right. Well, you know, the truth is, Ms. Kitty, when children are removed and placed in what we call places of safety, one, it's temporary until the court makes a decision. That's one to note. We try to provide a protective and safe environment. But you will appreciate that very often the children come and they mix with other children. There are some who are there with behavioral issues, and things will happen. But people should be confident that at the CPFSA we are working very, very, very hard to ensure that our places of safety are just that, safe spaces for children. One of the things that we're doing now, we're improving our security apparatus. We are installing, CCTV cameras to the facilities that don't have any. We are constantly upskilling our staff members to ensure that they provide trauma-informed care to the children that are placed there. So we are always, and we will never tell you that the system is perfect. But we're always in a mode of constant improvement to ensure that we're doing right by our children.
Very well. So being in the court system or aware of the court system, I know that it can take a while sometimes for persons to get a court date. Right. But I know the family court, for example, expedites these dates because of the nature of the cases and the matters before them. Yeah. How long does it normally take, doc, for the court for them to be present before a judge and a court order is given? And usually, what are some of the court orders